So like this, and again, you guys can angle it however you want. You can still go back further, so let's show you guys how far back. So you guys can have it angled at that, and again, you guys can also drop it flat down as well. Welcome guys to another unboxing with Scott. Today we are checking out this laptop stand. So this is aluminum, that's why we're able to play rough with it. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Gives you a little manual, which you probably don't need. A carrying case. And this is it. This is a laptop stand. Really. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Oh, that is awesome. So, that is awesome. Look how simple this is. Step 1, pull it out. Step 2, drop the legs. Step 3, pull the little pins out. Step 4, set it down to whatever height you want. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different heights. So you could drop it the whole way, basically almost flat. Like that. That is awesome, guys. How simple is that? That is very, very smart design. Wow. Now the question is, let's test it out. All right, my friends, check this out. So simple. And again, you can easily adjust each individual setting, because it's not good to have your laptop flat against something, which I know most people do. That actually puts wear and tear on the components in your laptop because it overheats more, and heat is the #1 killer of electronics. So you can lay it flat down if you want, straight down. And the nice thing about this is you're still not fully flat. So even though the laptop is now flat down, it's actually got that clearance. And this clearance allows it to breathe freely. So guys, this is a must-have if you want to angle your laptop. It also works with tablets as well, so bigger tablets. But you know, if you want to angle your laptop and keep your laptop nice and cool, which will help it last much longer.